World's Weirdest Animals, Reptiles, a Smart Kids Club publication. Contents at a glance. Introduction to the Animal Kingdom. We live on an amazing planet. Our Earth is full of incredible things. Some of these things are living and some are not. For example, a rock is not alive. How about a tree? And the bird sitting on its branch? Yes, these are both living things. Scientists divide living things into two groups called kingdoms. There is the plant kingdom and the animal kingdom. The animal kingdom is then divided into vertebrates, animals with backbones, and invertebrates, animals without backbones. Introduction to reptiles. There are over 8,000 species of reptiles. These include crocodiles, lizards, snakes, turtles, and tuataras, which are endemic to New Zealand and look a bit like lizards. Unlike amphibians, reptiles do not begin life in the water. Reptiles lay their eggs on dry land. Reptiles range in size from a tiny gecko that is less than an inch long to a crocodile that can grow to be almost 20 feet in length and weigh 2,200 pounds. Reptiles are cold-blooded. This means that they must use their environment to keep them cool or warm. African egg-eating snake. The African egg-eating snake lives in the forests of Africa and eats only one kind of food, eggs. This snake is very good at climbing a tree. Why is this important? Because this is where it finds its food, in the nest of a bird. It has a good sense of smell. It can tell by smelling an egg if it will taste good. This snake has no teeth, and its jaws can open up wide enough to eat an egg that is much bigger than the snake's head. It rubs its scales together to make a noise when it is scared. This is called saw scaling and sounds like a hiss. Agama agama. The agama agama is known by several other names. The common agama, the rainbow agama, the red-headed rock agama, and the Spider-Man lizard. Looks kind of like Spider-Man, right? The agama agama lives in areas of Africa south of the Sahara Desert. Its size ranges from 5 inches to nearly 12 inches in length. It likes to eat insects and can be seen climbing on rocks and walls even during the hottest part of the day. Male agama agamas become upset when they see another male, so they nod and skip sideways. Frill-necked lizard. The frill-necked lizard is also known as the frilled lizard and the frilled dragon. A neck frill is the part of the lizard that is seen on the back of its head. The frill-necked lizard lives on the continent of Australia and also on the island just north of Australia, New Guinea, which is the largest island in the world. This lizard is mostly arboreal, which means it spends most of its time in trees where it finds its favorite food, insects. It is a large lizard and can grow to be nearly 3 feet long. It spreads out its frill when it is frightened. Gharial. The gharial is a member of the crocodilian family, along with crocodiles and alligators. It is also known as a gavial and a fish-eating crocodile. It lives in India and is very endangered. Scientists think that there are only about 235 gharials still living in their natural environment. The gharial is one of the longest members of the crocodilian family. It can be over 20 feet long. Its snout is narrow, and it has lots of teeth. So, unlike crocodiles and alligators, the gharial mainly eats fish. It is not dangerous to humans. Jackson's chameleon. The Jackson's chameleon, also known as Jackson's three-horned chameleon, is native to East Africa, but there are some of these chameleons that now live in Florida and Hawaii. In Africa, it lives in the forests of south-central Kenya and northern Tanzania. It grows to be up to 15 inches long and is usually bright green. But like all chameleons, it can change colors. It likes to eat insects, lizards, snails, spiders, and even small birds. This chameleon looks weird because it has 3 horns, one above its mouth and 2 between its eyes. Komodo dragon. It's not really a dragon. It's a lizard, but it sure is big and scary and dangerous. Also known as the Komodo monitor, it is a monitor lizard that lives on the Indonesian island of Komodo. It is also found on several other nearby islands. The Komodo dragon is the largest lizard in the world. It grows to be 10 feet long and can weigh as much as 150 pounds. It has sharp teeth and a forked tongue. Its skin has scales and is very tough and strong. It eats birds and mammals, mostly deer, but it sometimes attacks humans, so run fast. Marine iguana. The marine iguana is a lizard that is endemic to the Galapagos Islands. It is a marine reptile, just like sea turtles, but what makes it unique is that it is the only marine lizard in the world. It can dive as deep as 30 feet down into the ocean. The water is a little cold, so a marine iguana often sits on the rocks near the water so they can be warmed by the sun. Because the rocks are black, it makes it hard sometimes to see a black iguana. It only eats one thing, algae. It grows to be a little over 1 foot long and weighs nearly 30 pounds. Mata mata turtle. The mata mata turtle lives in freshwater bodies of water near the Amazon River in South America. It likes slow-moving streams and swamps in Bolivia, Brazil, Colombia, Ecuador, Peru, and Venezuela. It is a large turtle. It can grow to be as long as 18 inches. The mata mata is an aquatic turtle, but it stays in shallow water. This way it can stay very still and pretend its body is a piece of bark from a tree, and its head looks like fallen leaves. Then, when a fish swims past, the mata mata stretches out its long neck and snatches it. Rhinoceros viper. The rhinoceros viper is a venomous snake that lives in the forests of Central and Western Africa. It gets its name from the horns on its head. Most snakes are long and skinny, but this snake is wider than usual. It grows to be about 42 inches long. Its head and neck are thin, but the rhinoceros viper's body gets much wider behind its neck. Its body has colorful patterns on it. Some people think that the rhinoceros viper is the most beautiful snake in the world, but be careful, this is one of the most poisonous snakes in Africa. Thorny dragon. The thorny dragon is also known as the moloch, the mountain devil, the thorny lizard, and the thorny devil. It lives in the dry areas of central Australia. Its body is brown and tan. These colors help to camouflage it in its dry environment. The thorny dragon grows to be about 20 inches long and can live to be about 20 years old. Spines cover its body, so this helps to keep its enemies away. But it has another trick. It has a false head on its back. When it's scared, it tucks its real head down between its front legs. Now that's weird. Interesting facts. Reptiles live on every continent in the world except Antarctica, where the climate is too cold. Most reptiles do not like cold temperatures, but the Blanding's turtle swims under the ice in the Great Lakes area of the United States. Some tortoises and turtles, like the eastern box turtle, are known to live for more than 100 years, and the Aldabra tortoise can live for more than 150 years. Reptiles have a shell or are covered in scales. There are more species of lizards and snakes than any other species of reptiles. Of the 3,000 different species of snakes in the world, there are only about 500 species that are venomous, and only about 40 snakes are dangerous to humans. Australia is the only continent in the world where there are more venomous species of snakes than there are of non-venomous snakes. Reptiles have different ways of defending themselves, like biting, hissing, camouflage, and quickly moving away. At 12 feet in length, the king cobra is the longest snake in the world. Reptiles do not have sweat glands, so their skin is usually cool and dry. Lizards and snakes use their tongues instead of their noses to smell. This is why they flick their tongues in the air. Anacondas are huge snakes. They can go for several months between meals. If a gecko loses its tail, a new one will grow in its place.